Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to indent in Excel. Let's open an Excel sheet. Here, let's say we want to indent these names. So what we'll do is just go to Home tab and select the texts that we want to indent or select the column, and then go to this alignment option and click on increase intent. Here you can see it's intended, or you can decrease intent by clicking on decrease intent. You can simply click on the little ribbon and increase intent portion or intent size that you want to put in your text. Click on OK, and here you can see it's done. This is how you can do your intent. So yep, this will make your texts um, more organized and look beautiful. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.